Hi, I'm President Paula Pando, inviting you to ride along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and community. The month of November brings crisp nights, fall foliage, and a season of gratitude. At Reynolds Community College, gratitude isn't just a word, it's an action. It's the essence of our mission and the heart of our community. We've been blessed with a whopping $2.25 million grant from the U.S. Department of Education's Title III Strengthening Institutions program. Over the next 5 years, this grant will fuel a transformation of the student experience at Reynolds, from crafting detailed academic programs to fostering success in foundational math and English courses. We're all set to elevate the student journey. This grant isn't merely about numbers, it's about propelling social and economic mobility throughout our community. We're indebted for such trust and investment in our vision. We often talk about the impact of our scholarships, but the true heroes behind these life-changing opportunities are our generous benefactors. Last week, as we celebrated our generous donors during our annual scholarship luncheon, the atmosphere was thick with emotion and gratitude. Our scholars expressed how these scholarships weren't just funds, but faith in their dreams, and what a difference that faith has made. Our foundation proudly awarded nearly $1 million in scholarships this past year alone.
It's important to me to invest in these students so they can have all the opportunities that any other college student might have, with many fewer of the burdens, if I can possibly help.
Hearing from Celia Rafalco and understanding her why behind supporting Reynolds is both heartwarming and inspiring. A huge shout out to her and to all of our donors. You are the real MVPs. Our gratitude extends to the fantastic men and women representing the communities we serve. We recently held a reception for our local elected officials to thank them for their unwavering support and advocacy that serves as the wind beneath our wings. To the representatives of the City of Richmond and the counties of Goochland, Hanover, Henrico, Louisa, and Powhatan, we see you and we appreciate your commitment. Our shared goal, ensuring that Reynolds remains a beacon for academic and workforce excellence in our community. In the spirit of unity and progress, we're ecstatic to announce our partnership with Mercy Chefs at the Kitchens at Reynolds, nestled in Richmond's East End. With a symbolic gesture of a chef's knife slice, we usher in a promising alliance. Our heartfelt appreciation goes out to Chef Gary LeBlanc and his committed team. As the Richmond Community Kitchen opens, together we set forth to make our community a hub where opportunities abound and no one goes without a nutritious meal. As we approach Thanksgiving, we're humbled by and deeply thankful for the immense support, trust, and love from each one of you. While the success of our students always remains our North Star, gratitude also guides our path at Reynolds. With your continued support, we'll keep shining bright and pursuing excellence in everything we do. Wishing everyone a Thanksgiving filled with love, laughter, and gratitude. See you next month.